Indian man has been abducted in broad daylight. Outside a Gurudwara, a father of three, he is all gone. This is a story that has shaken an entire community in California. A 57-year-old Sikh man, a husband, a father to 6-month-old triplets. He was kidnapped in the afternoon sun. And days later, he was found dead. Welcome to Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Yatri, and let's talk about the abduction here. It happened outside a Gurudwara in Tracy, located in San Joaquin County. The timing around 2:30 in the afternoon, broad daylight. Witnesses say that Avatar Singh, he tried to fight back, but he was overpowered, forced into the vehicle, and then he was driven away. Just like that. Authorities later made something absolutely clear that this was not random. According to Patrick, the attackers, they were looking for somebody else. Singh, police believe, was not the intended target here. Well, a case of unmistaken identity it was, but a deadly one. Now the entire family is left in shock. Hours later, when his wife returned home from work, something felt wrong. Their 6-month-old triplets, they were alone. Her husband was nowhere to be seen. Calls were unanswered. Panic set in. He was reported missing that particular evening. Well, the community began searching here and there. They were just hoping, they were praying. 3 days later, deputy in Napa County made a grim discovery. Near Lake Periyasa, nearly 2 hours from where he was abducted, a body was found. Authorities later confirmed that it was Avatar Singh. Now the whole community is mourning. Yes, for more than 2 decades, Singh had served at Gurudwara here. Not just as a cook though, but as a pillar of the temple. A man who was known for his dedication, a man who was known for his hard work, his quiet service. He lived on the temple grounds with his wife and children. The community described him as sincere, always willing to help, always present. And just weeks before that tragedy, the temple had celebrated joy. The homecoming of the couple's premature triplets after a long hospital stay. It was a moment of happiness, of gratitude, of new beginning, but now that joy has turned into grief. Now there are questions without any answers. Who was he? Why was he taken? Who were the abductors? Who was the real target here? Authorities have not yet revealed the motive. No suspects have been publicly identified. Well, this particular case is being investigated as homicide. An autopsy, it has been completed, but details remain limited. Detectives say that they are working tirelessly, but again, it was not random. You know why? Because police insists this was not a random crime. That suggests planning, intent. A specific objective was there. And if Singh was not the intended target, then how did this mistake really happen? And who's responsible for this irreversible loss? A wife, 3 infants, and a community that is shattered. Yes, behind the headline, there is a young mother left alone with 3 babies. Behind the investigation is a community that is mourning, trying to make sense of violence that arrived without any warning.